मार्जिन अगेंस्ट होल्डिंग क्या है? मार्जिन अगेंस्ट होल्डिंग एक ऐसा मैकेनिज्म है जिसके जरिए ब्रोकर्स क्लाइंट को एक्स्ट्रा मार्जिन प्रोवाइड करते हैं उनके सिक्योरिटीज एंड होल्डिंग को कोलेटरल की तरह यूज करके। ये इंडिविजुअल ब्रोकर के डिसीजन पे है कि वो कितना मार्जिन अगेंस्ट होल्डिंग प्रोवाइड करेगा, और नॉर्मली ये फैसिलिटी तभी प्रोवाइड की जाती है जब मार्केट फुल रन में हो। मैं हूं निकुंज टेक सुविचार से, तो लीजिए शुरू करते हैं। How does it work? The broker provides funds to his or her client based on the quantum and category of shares held by the latter in his or her Demat account. Shares are first transferred by client from his personal Demat account to broker's beneficiary account through an off-market transfer. These shares are then moved to the client margin account held with the broker's depository participant. Broker provides the client with margin based on the value of the former shares after calculating a haircut as prescribed by the exchange. Clients can use this margin for equity intraday trade, equity future trade, and for writing of option in equities, indices, and currency segment. This facility cannot be used to buy option or to take equity delivery position in the cash segment. The client can ask the broker to transfer his or her share back to the Demat account at any point of time if he or she does not want to avail the margin against the share facility any longer. Cost associated with margin against share. Broker usually do not charge anything as such for using the facility of margin against shares. However, there is a cost involved for off-market transfer of shares from client account to the broker beneficiary account. These charges depend on the depository participant and also on your broker. Is there a change of ownership? The client remains the owner of shares at all the point of time. That is, even after transferring the shares to the broker for collateral margin. The only catch is that the client will not be able to sell the share until they are unpledged. However, the client is entitled to all corporate action such as dividends, bonus share, right issue, stock split, and voting rights, among others. Margin calculation. Only certain securities are taken into consideration for margin facility, and that list is provided by the broker. Once the client transfers this, he gets margin against those shares after deducting the exchange prescribed haircut. Consider a client has the following securities in his portfolio. Stock price as on March 13th, 2018. So the share name is ITC. Price is 370 rupees, quantity is 1000, so the total amount will be 3,70,000. Now the another share name is HUL and the price is 1320, quantity is 500, so the total amount will be 6,60,000. Now the another share name is Tata Chemical and the share price is 691, quantity is 500, so the total amount will be 3,45,500. If you want to pledge 1000 ITC shares that are trading at rupees 370 in order to take a position in Nifty future, the value of the pledged share will be 1000 multiplied by 370 is equal to rupees 3,70,000. If the applicable haircut is 15%, the broker would provide rupees 3,14,500 to the client and keep the remaining rupees 55,500 as a risk cover. Note that with the most broker, margin against share does not cover 100% of the margin a customer requires to make a trade. Exchanges have a set of cash collateral ratio to nearly 50 to 50 percentage. What this means is that 50% of the margin has to be compulsory come through a cash, while the rest can be utilized from the collateral margin. Let us use an example to understand this. Assume that the client has a bullish view on the market and decide to purchase a 5 lot of Nifty futures, which requires rupees 3,14,160. In order to take up such a position, the client will have to have a rupees of 1,57,000 cash in his account, while the remaining margin can be taken from the ITC share that are pledged. The client will not be able to take up the position entirely with the share that are pledged. If you are incur losses using the margin money, if the client occurs a losses while trading in the future and option segment and is not able to meet the required mark to the market additional capital, the broker in such a scenario holds the right to sell the shares that were pledged to make up the losses. Thanks for watching the video till end. Please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss any video whenever I upload it. This is Nikunj from Tax Suvichar. Thank you.